Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Sage Intacct Sync with no-code apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Sage Intacct official website. Log into your Sage Intacct account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the API section in your dashboard. Click on the API section to access the necessary integration tools. Next, find the documentation related to Sage Intacct Sync. Read through the integration documentation carefully for necessary prerequisites. Identify the no-code applications compatible with Sage Intacct. For this guide, select a no-code platform like Zapier or Integromat. Create an account on your chosen no-code platform if you don't have one. Once your account is set up, log into the platform. In the no-code application, look for the option to connect new apps. Search for Sage Intacct in the list of available integrations. Select Sage Intacct and follow the prompts to connect your account. You might need to enter your Sage Intacct API key during this process. After successful connection, proceed to define your workflow or automation. Choose the trigger event from Sage Intacct that will start your automation. Next, select the action you want to occur in the no-code app. Map the fields from Sage Intacct to your no-code application accordingly. Test the connection to ensure everything is working as expected. Finally, save your workflow and activate it. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Sage Intacct Sync with a no-code app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.